Power on TriHauler. Press the power button in the middle of the control panel to turn on the TriHauler. Shift up or down electric motor gears. Press the plus button to increase the electric motor assistance level. Engage assistance when the level is greater than or equal to 1. Press the minus button to decrease the electric motor assistance level. Activate the lighting power. Press the light button to the right of the power button to turn on the front headlights and tail lights. Activate the left or right turn signal. Toggle the turn signal switch to the far left to activate the left turn signal, and to the far right to activate the right turn signal. Activate the electronic horn. Press the horn button below the turn signal switch to activate the TriHauler's electronic horn. Engage or disengage the brake lock. Squeeze the brake lever and press the silver button on the brake to lock the brakes. Squeeze the brake lever again to unlock. Shift up or down the derailleur gear. Move the derailleur paddle to lower the gear and press the derailleur button to raise the gear. Toggle the throttle lever to start the engine. With the assistance level greater than or equal to 1, twist the throttle to start the pure electric assistance. Remove or install the battery. Turn the key. Then toggle the switch at the bottom of the battery to remove the main battery. When installing the battery, ensure correct orientation and securely lock it. Charge the TriHauler Etrike. Open the charging port cover on the right side of the Etrike. Insert the charger to charge the TriHauler. Installing an additional battery on the TriHauler Etrike. Insert the plug connector into the corresponding slot. Align the base cover plate with the lower base slots. Tighten the screws at the 4 corners to secure the cover plate. Insert the battery slide rail and tighten the screws to secure. Fold the saddle and insert the second battery. Connect the other end of the bottom plug to the vehicle interface. Charge the additional battery. Insert the charger into the charging port. Decide of the additional battery to charge it. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact us.